What is going on, guys? Quincy here. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this nice little cash card for you guys. It's the brand new neon green cash card that glows in the dark. This design here doesn't glow in the dark, but I tried to see if it would. It's kind of nice, honestly. I had ordered it on the 6th of August and it didn't get here till the 19th, which is today. This video will be going up today, so as you guys can see, the different little things that you can do with the card. That's my design. I usually don't get the tag up top. I'm pretty sure I turned that off because I always turn that tag off whenever I order a Cashapp card because I don't know, it's kind of weird. Here's how you activate your card. Don't try to activate mine because I've already done it. As you guys can see, I got the SPQ with the crown, stars, a heart, and I've got a money bag. As you guys can tell, save with boost too. Save a boost. Always use your boost whenever you're going out. If you're gonna buy from a restaurant or you're gonna buy for a grocery store, just use a boost because you'll save 10%. It's quite nice. You can save up to I believe $7.50, which is about spending $75 at a store. So you can save $7.50, which is nice, dude. I use that all the time. So my card is quite nice. It looks kind of like a yellowish, bright yellow, bright green color. I'm going to turn the light off. Here you guys can see the card glowing. It does glow quite a bit, which is kind of epic. Look at my design, my nice little design. I actually I'm getting a phone call. What the heck? Sorry about that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like my voice, I actually talk a lot in my videos. Check out my channel, Streams by Q. Just subscribe and notifications on, like this video, comment down below. Check out my other videos because they're quite nice. I've been doing like nature videos. I have a lot of videos ideas planned for this year, and I'm actually going on a nice vacation in November, so you guys are gonna be wanting to see that. That stuff's gonna be epic. So please subscribe, leave notifications on, and check me out on Twitter for daily giveaways. Check the description for my links.